Dancehall, we're heating up again. Malie Don just dropped Froggy, going straight at Chronic Law. Let's break it down.
Freakily, you wanna be bad man a night. Fagger my body, boy, a crap man in a time. Mad girl, you fuck out, don't know Lisa pussy bright.
Malie Don comes out swinging, straight personal jabs, questioning Chronic Law's street credibility and throwing shade about Lisa. This sets the tone of the clash, raw, disrespectful, and direct.
Bumbo hole in a hard fish shoot. Blacky give you a jacket and you fit talk it true. You a sing about your handband child when you blood clot born and you charge you.
Here he hits a sensitive spot, the infamous jacket talk in Dancehall, basically calling Law unfit and questioning fatherhood. That's a heavy diss angle that clashes often thrive on.
Pablo, I'm a picnic ball beating stick. When Wendy a beat your dry shoes. Me think you know did say me a did the informer. When I feds you a start the clues. Not a murderer, you a burglar. A shot a bore up your shirt, a twist and a turn. And a not a law, them a baby, give them a gerb. And I hope your man can't save.
Now he goes violent with the imagery, bullets, Obia references, classic clash tropes. The delivery is relentless, but the flow starts to feel repetitive here.
Idol said you been a carry pussy feelings. I'm a boss, I'm a road, they flick up in the ceiling. Spread the word like meat, a dash in a seasoning. When me a go school, I do track and feel. You a big pocket and a damn gal's meal. Shot bun off your lip like mother's beef. Buy badness and never keep your warranty. Half it dead from Fred chatty guarantee. The whole of no faker than your Japan beat. Me don't tell you if you invest in a top freak. If I no go tank, I must hag a shit. Watch it make me kill him. Rifle shot no miss him. Pussy them no bad, them only bad in a them system.
This part feels like the anthem hook of the diss. Even though the bars are raw, this could have been a moment to make it more catchy, something fans chant back. It's effective, but not iconic. Strengths? Malie Don is fearless and name-calling Jacket's relentless aggression. Weakness? Too many derogatory lines without much switch-up in the flow. My verdict, 7.5 out of 10. Solid diss, but missing that one killer hook to make it viral. So what you think? Did Malie Don land the punches on Chronic Law, or is this just noise until Law responds? Drop your thoughts below and lock in with Sonic Snap for more Clash reviews.